guys, I'm Jacky YBT and welcome to my channel where I do unboxing, tech reviews and tutorial videos. And today is an unboxing video and I got this, and this is not mine once again. I borrowed it from my friend thanks to Mom, and we'll do it right now. Okay, so let's get started. As you can see, there's a G90 optical gaming mouse. Here, the one of the main feature, 2500 dpi, from 250 to 2500 dpi, the sensitive, the tracking point. And you can see the logo with a gaming type, and the side you can see a big 90 font there, logo. Another side is technical specification, tracking. I set the resolution from 250 to 2500, and maximum acceleration 20G, max speed up to 120 inches, 3 meters per second. Yeah, you can look through of it. Responsive up to 500 reports per second. It works with Mac OS and Windows using the USB technology to connect. So at the back, there's 4 major features. So exclusive Delta Zero sensor technology for consistent high accuracy targeting. Left and right. Comfortable, lightweight, ambidextrous shape with low friction feet. And 2500 dpi once again. In-game sensitivity switching. 2 milliseconds report rates, 4 times faster than the standard mice. Or you call mouse, I call it mouse. And the diagram itself. Bottom, nothing, just some codes. Yep, so let's cut it through and unbox. So cut it through from the top. There's a cellophane tape, stick it there. So just carefully slide through. That's simple. And then open it. Okay. So leave it aside. So this is the cardboard, and what's inside the box. As you can see, there's a gaming mouse, the G90, and some paperwork, documentation. So as you can see, this is the documentation, USB, and some warranty while using the mouse, and a big logo G, stand for gaming, obviously. Okay, so from the design standpoint, looks quite sharp, black and white, very classical combination. The clicking is very satisfying, but quite loud. It's not a Silent Plus, wireless mouse or whatsoever. Compared to this, you guys can go watch my unboxing video about this Logitech M330 Silent Plus wireless mouse. So you can go check out the differences. And this, yeah, this is way louder. But you use it for gaming, so I don't think that's a problem for you. This is wire mouse, as you can see. So let me untie the thing first. It's pretty long. In order to show you guys how long the cable of this mouse, I have to do this. This is the only way. Yeah, it's pretty long. You know, from here to, okay, I keep until here. This thing. Yeah, so it's pretty long. I guess you guys know it right now. Okay. There's a middle button for you to change the DPI. You have to download a software from the Logitech.com website to change, to do some customized thing on your mouse. And this is the middle scroll, and the right click, and the left click. And on the bottom, as you can see, the laser thing, and then the cushion, the rubber feet for stable on the table. So for me, the size is good. It's compact enough, and it's also big enough for my hands. As you can see, I have quite above average hand, kind of big. So for me, it's very comfortable to use it. I like the feeling of it. It's very suitable for gaming purposes. You need a big enough mouse for you to handle it, play shooting games or any other games. So as you can see, there's some text below, kind of hard to see. There's some words below. Rating 5V, voltage 100 mA. Yeah, and some information. So that's about it, guys. This is just my little unboxing about this G90 mouse. So thank you for watching, everyone, and I might make a review of it. Maybe not, maybe yes, because it's not my mouse. We'll see. Remember to give a thumbs up, like, share to your friends and families. Remember to subscribe, comment. Yeah, much appreciated if you do all that. And I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.